Hey everyone, today I wanted to quickly just talk about whether I think Brainchip is a possible buy now. Because in the recent month, the last month, the price has gone down rather significantly, and it does look like it could be a possible buy. It looks like it might be undervalued, and if it's believed to be a strong company, which I personally believe it is rather promising, it could be a very potential buy. Now, first of all, we need to talk about the industry. This is a very promising industry. It's obviously gotten a lot of hype in the last year, and it's in a lot of ways an investor's dream. It's artificial intelligence and it's technology in one. It really can't get much better than that. Now, Brainchip has called for a lot of different day traders to be buying in and selling rather quick because it's a share that has a lot of volatility. However, I see it more as a potential long-term investment. Now, the reason I see this is because of Brainchip's past. They've worked with Virago apparently to do some sort of NASA Phase 1 program. And I just think obviously that is a very great thing for such a small company. And it's very likely that something even more significant can happen in the future. And that did boost the share price when that happened, meaning that if something potentially like Intel was to support or buy in or do something with this company, we really could see a big spike in the share price. Now, in addition to this, Brainchip was even added to the ASX Technology Index. And I just think that that really also means that it's a very promising company. It obviously has had a decent past, and I just think that it really will just do more and more in the future. Now, if the share price spiked before due to these different partnerships, it just makes me think, why wouldn't this happen in the future again? Now, this does seem like it's a strong company and it's expected to make revenue in 2021. So if it's expected to do all that, I really don't see it as something that could collapse soon, and I think that as long as it keeps going in this very promising and strong and innovative industry, it has a lot of potential to get picked up with some sort of partnership or a buyout and very largely grow. So now that's all my opinion. I'd like to hear yours, but I do think that this is a company that is very likely to be very promising in the future and is expected to grow rather significantly. However, it's more of a point of, is it a buy now? I think that it's definitely a buy, it's just, is it a buy now? Because obviously it's something that I think is going to one day grow, and I think that that's almost certain. I think it's going to be a very innovative and strong company in the future. However, like I said, it's more, is it worth it to buy now? And I'm not going to waste your time, but the very short answer is I think it definitely is a buy now. It is currently at 32 cents, and when it has been seeing prices over 70 cents, I think that this is very much a buy now. I think it is undervalued, and for a company this strong and with this much potential, I think it's a buy. Now obviously that's all my opinion. I haven't even bought into Brainchip yet, however it's something that I think is a very potential buy. I personally am a little bit too skeptical about buying penny stocks now myself. I've bought into a couple and one of them's done well, the other one has gone down a little bit too much. And when I say that, it's a lot too much and it makes me very uncomfortable. However, I'm still holding because I obviously think it's a very promising company, and that's for another video. However, Brainchip is just something that I think has a lot of potential, and it's something that I personally think I could be buying into if I have the confidence and if I have the money. However, I'd like to hear, have you done any research and seen anything that maybe others haven't? It's really helpful to be seeing all this stuff and talking about it with each other, so feel free to leave a comment talking about why you think it could be a buy now, or if you think it could be a buy later, if you think it's a strong sell. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. So without wasting too much of your time, I'd like to say just thank you for watching the video, especially if you made it here to the end. It helps me out a lot, gives me a lot of motivation to keep making videos, and really it does keep me busy when I see that it does give me a return in views and watch time. It does inspire me and it gives me a bit of confidence in myself. So thank you very much. I'd appreciate if you could like the video, and if you're feeling very nice, maybe consider subscribing if you want to see more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.